5 things you need to know about the MCP6C26 current sense amplifier. 1. The MCP6C26 is designed as a direct replacement for the popular INA 210 through INA 215 series. That means it matches in fit, form, and function, making upgrades seamless with no board redesign required. 2. It uses zero-drift architecture. This minimizes offset and drift while offering excellent common mode rejection. In other words, you get precise, stable current measurements over time and across temperature changes. 3. The MCP6C26 supports input common mode voltages from -0.2 volts up to +36 volts. And it operates on a supply range of 2.7 to 5.5 volts, perfect for a wide variety of applications. 4. It includes integrated precision resistors with fixed gains of 50, 100, or 200 volts per volt. All of this comes in a compact SC70 package, saving space and reducing external component count. 5. Reliability. The MCP6C26 is AEC-Q100 Grade 1 qualified, making it robust enough for automotive applications and ideal for industrial, medical, and consumer designs like motor control, power supplies, and battery management systems. To learn more about how the MCP6C26 can power your next design, check out the datasheet shown in the description.